ThriftyAV 4th Annual Spooky Sounds Highlights and Bloopers.
3, 2, 1.
Well, this is supposed to be scary, not funny.
They're having a great time.
A grinning skull.
Sounds like a good party.
Oh, man.
Pretending to think someone's joke is funny laughter. Cough it up. Somebody give him the Heimlich.
They got medicine for that.
Even monsters get allergies.
They love the taste of fresh meat.
Making me hungry. Sounds like he's eating potato chips, not astronaut.
Eating glass, maybe. Sounds crunchier than potato chips.
I don't want to say what I think that sounds like.
You should see a doctor about that. Some of these are just kind of disgusting noises, not scary.
It says blood dripping, but it sounds more like a faucet leak.
I wonder if I've become desensitized to all this stuff. Ogre snoring? He's chilled out. He's not terrorized. He's having a good nap.
So if your haunted house has a theme of snoring ogres,
This one needs to be sharpened. This plastic knife. Well, this toy plastic knife isn't sharp enough to cut through it.
sawing a body in half. Maybe a chainsaw would be scary, but a handsaw?
I need to do some tree trimming.
Next. Brought to you by a breakfast cereal.
Welcome to Count Chocula's castle. Spooktacular, is it not?
Who let the dogs out? Haha.
Cat's ready to eat. Cat's hungry. Cat wants outside. Cat wants inside.
Kitty.
Cat's a little upset there.
No actual cats were harmed in the production of these sound effects.
I think I'm gonna move to the next one. How scary could a Fisher Price Halloween CD be?
Yellow polka dot bikinis. Now those are not scary.
Warning, this album will drive you absolutely insane.
The Hitchhiker. Folks, do not pick up hitchhikers, especially on Halloween.
Don't play with fire, kiddos.
People are strange when you're a stranger.
I know this song.
I was working in the lab.
We have Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
Has blood in the name. More cowbell.
He's not even trying to sound like Michael Jackson.
Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. No. Let's see how much this singer sounds like Bon Scott. Not much. Who are you gonna call? You ever feel like someone's watching you?
I guess purple people eaters are kind of scary.
Oh, that's clever. I want candy. There were ghosts. people dress like ghosts. Oh, it's a Halloween ripoff. Or is that Friday the 13th? Next, when you open the booklet and see this, sounds like me stumbling around at night. Oops. Well, first time's an accident, but if it keeps happening, they're doing it on purpose. I know a lot of people are scared of thunderstorms, but we could really use the rain. Sounds like a table saw. That reminds me, I need to work on some shelves.
Don't leave now. Don't even think of leaving now.
Don't leave now. Don't quit watching this video. Keep watching ThriftyAV. Do not leave. Waiting for something to happen here is getting torturous. That's a guy falling off a cliff. Pretty sure that's a guy falling off. Oh, he fell into the water. Oh, he's falling. Whoa! Fell in the water. He's probably okay. Next. Alright, the next is called Silent Screams. Oh, that's not silent. That is an audible scream. Maybe there are some silent screams going on and I just don't hear them. Oh, this is definitely action hero stuff here. Where's Chuck Norris? I'm gonna back that up because I thought that was funny. I want to make it funnier. You know, you take your normal monster, you add some echo and reverb to it, then you have monsters from Mars.
Welcome to your worst nightmare.
Sounds like a radio announcer.
Here, have some candy.
That beard's really bugging me. Classics from the Crypt. These the classics from the Crypt. Halloween is... Wait, there were 2 discs in there. Maybe it's the spaceship. Where did Ghostly Sounds go? Let's start that over. No, let's not do that one next. Crap. I didn't pay very much for this one. The yellow tags were on sale. This one has a 99-cent price tag on it. Let's see if I can peel off this Goodwill sticker without messing up. And I messed up twice. I have 2 copies of it. Whoops, it skipped. But just different enough to avoid copyright infringement. Crap, let's start over. One of those will work. That's the end of Halloween. Well, that's a disappointment. That's going to wrap things up for this year's edition of ThriftyAV's Spooky Sounds. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. Any small contribution would help me collect more goodies like this one. And remember, stay thrifty, everyone. Ugh.